Son, I know that you have topped in entrance exam, but still I can't give you admission. But ma'am, you only told me that pass the exam and I will get the admission without fees only. Yes, son, I said. But you haven't passed the exam. You have topped it. And because of which, whatever expense will be of your study, our school will sponsor it. So give me admission. It's my dream to study in this school. I also want that you study in this school. But without any parents, admission is not possible. And you didn't bring your parents with you. So, I can't give you admission without parents. Come on, don't be sad. I will do one thing. I will reserve your admission seat. Tomorrow you come with your parents and take the admission. Hey, what happened? Be happy. Ma'am, I can't get admission without parents. You tell me one thing. Which school gives admission like this without parents' permission? And you tell me what is the problem? Why can't you bring your parents with you? Tell me now. Ma'am, actually. What actually? Tell me now. Ma'am, I don't have. Where aren't they? Aren't they at home? Aren't they in the city? Aren't they in this country?
They are not in this world, madam.
Oh, what?
Yes, madam. He doesn't have parents. And now he doesn't have parents. He is supported by a blind old lady in my neighborhood. She is also alone. She doesn't have anyone. And today when I went to give her vegetables, then I came to know that he has come here for the admission. So I thought that no school will give him admission without parents. So that's why I came here.
I'm really sorry, son. I didn't have any idea about this and I spoke to you so rudely. I'm sorry. Why you didn't tell me this earlier? Ma'am, what could I do telling about this? People make fun of orphan kids. And people say, who doesn't have their parents, they have no values at all. And people look us with those eyes that we don't belong to this world. But people forget this. Who has no one, he has God.
Madam, if you don't mind, can I be his guardian? If I can get him admitted, then God will bless me.
Okay, fine then. I will take you as his guarantor and make his admission done.
Thank you very much, madam. You have proved that the humanity hasn't completely died from this earth.
Hey, you. Don't give this credit to me. Give this credit to Virat. He did so much hard work and cleared so tough exam as well. And son, you. I know God had taken your parents away from you. But in return of that, given you so sharp mind and bright future. Sharp mind you have with you. And bright future we will make together. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Don't say me thank you. Say it to your uncle. If he wouldn't have came, so your admission won't be possible. And another thing, son, for everyone, I'm ma'am. But from today, I'm your big sister. In study and anywhere, if you have any problem, come to me. I'll help you. Okay, Riya Didi. And you, come tomorrow with all his documents. We will finish his admissions process.
Yes, madam. I'll definitely come.
Welcome to Dalmia Group of Schools. This is from Riya's sister.
Come, son. Let's come tomorrow and get your admission done.